to my channel. If you're a new person, you're welcome. A returning subscriber, you're welcome back. I really love to have you here. So today I'm doing something different. This is not really the kind of videos I do, but I thought it's really important to document this. Guess what? I am packing my hospital bag today. Funny enough, this is not the first time I'm packing this bag. This is the third time I am packing this bag. Not because I feel like packing and unpacking. The first time I packed it, I didn't think of making a video, so I had to unpack. And then I made a video when I was 36 weeks gone. And then all of a sudden, I woke up one morning and all the videos and pictures in my phone were gone, so the video I made disappeared. I had to unpack. I am 38 weeks pregnant and I want to repack my bag, so pack my hospital bag with me. So this is my tummy, you can see. All right. To make it easier for me, the hospital gave me a list and I'll be working with this hospital list. This is the list I used in packing the previous time, so I'm going to use it again. So let's get into the video. All right, so right here I have the baby oil, Dettol, baby powder, baby soap. Now I had to get a pack of baby skincare stuff that contains all these things, which I'll be putting in the bag. Here, this is what I got. I didn't show you my bag, okay? Here, this is my bag. Oh, all right. So that has gone in. The next is the mosquito net for the baby. Mosquito net, it cannot get into the bag, but I'll just show you. This is what I got. Then we have baby sponge, baby comb, baby shawl. Where is the baby sponge? This is a sponge I got. Baby comb. You can see. The baby shawl. Okay, shawl and flannel. I got the both of them. This is a flannel. It's big if you open it up. And this is the baby shawl. Don't mind this packing. This is just to make a video and tell you the things I packed. I'm going to repack it so that everything will fit in very well. All right, so the next thing I have here is methylated spirit, cotton wool, olive oil. So here's the methylated spirit, cotton wool. I got the big one. Olive oil. Okay, then disposable day pars and napkins. So I actually got a big pack of day pars, but I had to just pick the number I think will be needing in the hospital. So these are the baby day pars. These day pars or diapers. And then this is baby wipes. Okay, we move next to baby dresses and vests. Okay, so I did something with the baby dresses. Here I packed everything that the baby will be needing. Every clothes, the caps, the onesies, the baby arrival clothes, every clothes the baby is going to be needing. I just had to compress everything here. Alright, so I think we're almost done for the baby. The next thing the baby needs is cup and spoon, and then flask for hot water. Here's what I got: cup and spoon, and then here's the flask. So I got 2 flasks. This one is a smaller one, there's a bigger one. I won't be taking that one to the hospital, so this is one I'll be taking. Alright, so that is everything that the hospital required from me to bring for the baby. Now I'm going to move to my own stuffs. So the first I have here is Comfort or Ladysept sanitary pad, 4 packs. So here I have 4 packs of Ladysept. Remember I told you I'm going to repack this. This is just for the video purpose, because if I leave everything like this, they will not enter. So my Ladysept has entered. The next is a pair of slippers and tea for the mother. So where is my pair of slippers? I got a new pair of slippers. Then tea for the mother. I have that one right in this bag. I don't want to put it here. So my tea is here. Toiletries, soap, cream, toothpaste, brush. Okay, so I have to pack all that here to make it easier for me to handle. So the perfume, the sponge, toothbrush, my cream, and my toothpaste. Just packed everything here. Alright, so this goes in. The next I have here, night dresses and 3 to 4 wrappers. I was able to get 3 wrappers and 2 night dresses. Okay. Oh my god. So I got this night dress and this one. And then the wrappers, 1, 2, and 3. Okay, the next thing for the mother is clothes. Definitely going to wear clothes in the hospital, so I just picked 2 gowns, yes, and a cardigan. That's all. Pick this gown and this one, and my cardigan. So I forgot something for the baby. I didn't include baby towels. I just saw the towels here. Okay, so this is 1 towel. This is the second. Then these are smaller ones. This is a small towel. This one is it face towel or mouth towel? And then I added 2 bibs. So these are for the baby. Alright, so the next thing I have here, sanitary pants and nursing bra. So they're going in That's for the mom. They're here. Okay. Then the mother's towel, big Omo. I bought clean actually. So my towel, clean, the big one. My bag is filled up. The next thing I have is soap, 1 liter of Jik, Dettol. So I got this soap. Here's the Jik. Oh my god. And I got Savlon. Not to show my list, just wanted to add it. Okay. So there we go. This is everything the hospital required of me. This is not everything I got for the baby, but these are what I'll be taking to the hospital. I hope you enjoyed this video. Tell me in the comment section if there is something that is not necessary, or if there is something I forgot to carry, or something the hospital did not add. They said I should get snacks and Mortina. I'm yet to get that. So this is everything I was required of. So do you think this is exaggerated, or you think it's just perfect? Thank you for watching. See you. And by the time you'll be watching this video, just know that my baby is already here. Take care and bye.
Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel.